Hey, we're Otterly Intelligent, a group of computer science students from CSU Monterey Bay. I'm Justin.
I'm Claudia.
And I'm Mariah. Let's talk about something we all use but don't usually think twice about: Google. You type a question, click search, and instantly get pages of answers. But have you ever wondered how that actually happens? It's not magic, it's smart technology. Let us walk you through how it works behind the scenes.
Imagine Google as a super smart librarian, constantly exploring the internet to see what's out there. He uses special programs called crawlers to visit websites, gather information, and follow links to discover new pages. Crawlers are like digital detectives, scanning each page's content and following clues to find even more relevant information. This helps Google build a massive library of web pages, which it then uses to help you find what you need.
Website owners can help by providing a sitemap, which is kind of like a table of contents for their site. But crawlers can't go everywhere. If a page is behind a login or marked as private, Google won't include it. So crawlers stick to public, accessible pages.
Once a page is crawled, Google stores it in a massive database called the index. Think of it like a huge digital library where each web page is a book. But not everything gets saved. Pages with errors, slow loading times, or repeated content might get skipped.
When Google finds similar pages with the same information, it compares them and selects the best one to include in its index. This will make sure that users see high-quality results that are relevant to their search queries.
Now let's say you search for something like, why do cats purr? This is where serving comes in. That's where the part Google takes your search and tries to understand what you're really asking. Google looks at your words and tries to figure out what you actually mean. It checks for spelling mistakes, finds related words, and looks for helpful patterns. Then it searches through the index to pull out matching results.
Here's the tricky part: ranking. Google doesn't just dump every result on the page. It puts the best ones at the top.
To do that, it asks itself a few key questions. Is this page actually helpful? Is it from a trustworthy source? Is the information up to date? Does it load quickly and work well on different devices? Google also thinks about you, your location, the device you're using, and more, to deliver results that are catered just for you.
And then you get your results. Usually you'll see a clickable title, a short snippet or a short description of what's on the page, the web address or URL, and sometimes the date it was published or even a quick answer at the top. All of that shows up in less than a second.
So the next time you Google something, remember, there's a whole system behind the scenes finding, sorting, and ranking websites to help you get the best answers fast.
Let's do a quick recap. First, Google crawls the internet to find public pages.
And then it stores the best ones in a massive index. When you search, Google figures out what you're asking.
It ranks the most useful and trustworthy results first, and finally, you get your results, clean, fast, and ready to explore.
We're Otterly Intelligent. Thanks for watching. We hope you learned something new.